how to add link in Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add link in Instagram Reel. So unfortunately there's no such thing as adding a clickable link to your Instagram Reel, but then you can add unclickable link, that is manually added link. So for that you need to go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and here go to your profile icon and then select the reel where you actually wish to go ahead and add the link. So then tap the three dot icon from the top right and go ahead and tap on edit. As you click on edit here, for the caption you can see you can simply go ahead and paste in the link that you recently copied, but this is not gonna be a clickable link, so I'm just gonna post this and tap the tick icon located in the top right hand side corner. So as you can see that I've actually added a link, but then if I tap on it, it's not going to be expanded. So that is how you can actually add a link in Instagram Reel. Or else the alternative is that first thing you can just go ahead and post a reel to your Instagram story. When you actually go ahead and post a reel, then you can tap on the sticker icon from the top, and here you can go ahead and tap on link, and for the link you can go ahead and paste in the one that you recently copied. So this is the one, and click the done button. So here whenever somebody go ahead and tap on the link, it's going to expand to the other field. So that's how you can add a link in your Instagram Reel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.